solve C program on arrays. So the question which I'm going to solve is in the screen right now. So the question is, you are given an array A of size n. Find out the maximum difference between any two elements such as the larger element appear after the smaller element A in A. So that's the question, and the input should be, the first line of the input should contain an integer t denoting the number of test cases and all that. So what we are going to do is, we are not going to do test cases here. We are just going to calculate the maximum difference of just one test case. So it's we are not going to input t there. So what the problem is actually, so let's take the test case 1, which is this. So the array size is 7 and this is t, so we are not gonna include this in our case. So there is not 2 test cases, only 1 test case, and that test case will be this, and it has a size of 7. The array has a size of 7 and the elements are 2, 3, 10, 6, 8, 4, 8 and 1. So what the problem wants to do is, we have to calculate the maximum difference between numbers such that the greater number should appear before the small number, greater number should appear after the small number. So means that 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 3 is greater than 2 and it appears after 2, therefore its difference can be calculated and it's 1. But if we check that 10 is the greatest number here and 2 is the smallest number here, so 10 appears after 2, which means the difference is 8, which is the maximum difference in which we can get in this array. If we take a look at the second test case, we'll understand that 7 is smaller than 9 and 5 is smaller than 6. So if we calculate the difference between 5 and 6, it's 1, and 7 and 9, it's 2. So the maximum difference will be the difference between 7 and 9. So that's the case. So the array of the first test case should return the value of 8, which is the difference between 10 and 2. So I've solved the problem. Now I'll explain how I did this problem. So we're going to start off with the header file as include stdio.h, and then we're going to do this with a function max difference. Actually it's max difference. So in this, the parameters are the array itself and the size of the array. So we are gonna input the array and the size of the array later. So first what we did is that we input a variable such that the difference between the 0 and the first element of the array is stored in this variable. So the variable I'm going to choose is max diff, actually max underscore diff. So this variable has the value ARR of 1, which is the element in the first position, and minus ARR of 0, which is the element in the 0th position. So this max diff is actually this is the reference which we are going to take. It's actually a temporary reference point in the array. So in the ing, it's these two are loop variables, and first loop for I equal to 0 and I less than array size I plus plus. So this is just a plain loop for going through the elements in the array, and the second loop is for j equals I plus 1, j less than array size and j plus plus. So what this does is that we don't need to calculate for j, we only need to check check to the right side of the I value, which means if I is on 0, we only have to check 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. If I is 2, if I is 1, we have to check we'll only have to check 2, 3, 4. So as I keeps on increasing, j also keeps j's value will be 1 greater than I. J starting value will be 1 greater than I. So in this nested loop, we're going to check if ARR of j minus ARR of I is greater than max difference, which means that our reference point, which is max difference, which is actually the difference between the first position element and the 0th position element, whether that is greater or less than the loop elements, which means that, for example, if the value of I is 1 and then the value of first value of j is 2, so we have to check if the sum of the second value of the loop minus the sum of minus the first value of the loop of the array is greater than the reference, which is the max difference. If the max difference is less than, or if ARR of j minus ARR of j minus ARR of I is greater than max difference, we are going to swap that max difference with the ARR of j minus ARR of I value. So what this does is that as the value keeps on increasing, and if the value increases, the difference will be stored in max difference, and then we are going to return the max difference as its function. Now we are gonna go into the main function, and we are gonna end in s, where s is the size of the array, and we have to manually input s, and then we'll input the array. And this for loop is simple code to input the values in the array, and we are going to print the maximum difference is %d, and the maximum which will this is the function call, and we'll call the array and s, which is the size of the array, and we'll return the value. Now we'll test this against the custom input. So I've already done the input, which is we have a size of 7, the array size is 7, and the elements are 2, 3, 10, 6, 4, 8, 1, which is the first test case we saw. And let's run the code. We're running the code. Yes, the maximum difference is 8. So that's it, the program is correct. Thanks.